Today I'm gonna decorate my Halloween bar cart. Now, I'm allergic to alcohol. I don't drink. My husband tends to drink outside. But I thought it would be really fun to have one for our guests who would come over, not just for a good time, but to also drink. So here's a bar cart that I got from Lazada. As you can see, it's pretty sturdy. It's also got these rails which I can hang stuff on later on, such as towelettes or some decorations. But let's get to decorating. Since it's my first time owning a bar cart, I went on a massive shopping spree, but I also managed to DIY a couple of stuff. Obviously, you need drinking glasses, accessories, mixers, coasters, everything. But if you notice that alcohol bottles are all turned the other way around, that's because I want to respect Thailand's laws about promoting alcohol consumption, even when I don't drink. But I'm going to kick things off with a craft soda. This is non-alcoholic, and you guys, this is so delicious. It's a butterscotch flavored soda made by a local brewer, and I can tell you, it's better than the one in Universal Studios. Hands down. It's less sweet, and I just hope that I can keep my hands off it so that my guests can have enough. But before that, I'm going to give everything a good wipe down. I used the complete range of Organic cleaners, again from a local maker, and just want to make sure that we have a good clean surface to work with when starting on the bar cart. I want to show you these 3 things that I DIY'd myself, little containers saying arsenic, poison, and toxic. Now I printed this out with my brother printer because I don't have a Cricut. And I've got these little felt hats as well. Some balloon tape which are used to stick balloon arches together. Stuck them at the bottom of the felt like that. And put them on the top of the container cover. So it's just like sticking out there. And the best part about balloon tape is all removable, but it also provides a pretty sturdy grip. This allows me to reuse the hats and the container cover for any other thing without any damage at all. I spray painted an old yogurt container black and put a sign that said Fang Sticks. Got these toothpicks from Daiso. I thought it'd be a cute addition to the bar cart to have as well. With the same yogurt container spray painted again, and this time I labeled it Sippy Hollows to have a place for all these different colored straws. And again for these stir sticks, all black, to stay very on theme. I'm also currently obsessed with poison apples, and I DIY'd this one out of paper mache and clay, just so I can have it on the bar cart. Here are some other things. Coasters that are black that I got from Central Department Store. Creepy cloth to drape on the side. Then we've also got this really cool Margarita rimmer, which there's places for salt, the sugar. And also this top here, if I open it up, it says it's for lime juice, and you just squeeze it on top there and just rim your glass. This is very cute, funny cantina. Another Coffin Cantina. And this raspberry sea salt flavor. We've also got a black complete cocktail mixer set, an ice bucket together with a little tong inside for the ice. Also this bottle opener in the shape of a vintage key. Then this Jack Skellington, which I want to hang in by the side. And I'm a big fan of smashing pumpkins, so I decided to get this pumpkin and says let's get smashed to hang at the side. There's a towel. I unfortunately received this slate board, which I wanted to use as a charcuterie board, but I decided to fix it up and place it in the second place for a little bit of height and some things. You'll see why later on. I started with arranging all the different kinds of spirit bottles that I have, and I am not just OCD when it comes to their height and placement or shape. I'm also pretty OCD, and I specifically chose different colors of bottles to match with the whole Halloween theme. It's got possibly every kind of alcohol to make a good drink here, but props to all the different people and friends, and especially Elaine, who helped me sort out all the different kinds of spirits that I need to make a proper drink. Then in goes all the things that should be on the top shelf, which are the cocktail shaker mixer set, and also the ice bucket, which I promptly put at the side of the top shelf. I also tied the vintage key bottle opener to the side with a skull ribbon that's long enough to pull on the side to open a bottle. For that slate that was for height, I had to add more height with a plank and a styrofoam board. so that I could bring all the things up front to view, including the toxic poison and arsenic canisters. I also added the toothpicks at the side there and decided to put the straws on the top for easier reach. I've also got this skull crystal head canister, which I'm only going to use as a decorative piece. And the margarita rimmer, honestly, no one's going to make a margarita except me as a mocktail. And I put the salt in the second shelf as well. From here on, it's all about putting all the finishing touches, all these little things to put into little nooks and crannies to make the bar cart feel a little bit more full. I've got different kinds of things, added the craft sodas over at the bottom there. I started also having all these different glasses. Now, to talk a little bit more about glasses, I got these really cool skeleton glasses as well that I put inside there for whiskey, but I've also got some martini glasses and wine glasses, which I just decided to get from IKEA because I heard those are the first things to break and they're pretty delicate as well. So this is what the bar cart looks like finally decorated, with the first shelf for all the easy to rich spirits, accessories, the second for any additional dried items, accessories as well, and craft soda at the bottom with some glasses. Yeah, so this looks pretty good. I'm pretty proud of myself. And I've also added Jack Skellington and a towel at the side there too to wrap things up. With a couple of candles and some mood lighting, this is the magic at night. Complete bar cart. Thanks you guys for watching and thank you for decorating with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more content from me. See you next time.